Hello, welcome all of you. Now today we'll learn cultivation of onion crop. So we start. Its botanical name. Botanical name of onion Allium cepa. Its family is Amaradaceae or Alliaceae. Origin at Central Asia. Some little important points of onion we here English here. That is first NRC, that is National Research Center in Maharashtra at Pune, Rajgurnagar. Lasala is the biggest market for onion crop. In India, onion has second in production with share 70% origin exchange. The number of times the pungency points are asked in an exam, that is pungency in onion is due to, or pungency or volatile oil present in a onion is due to the allyl propyl disulfide. Means allyl propyl disulfide, these are the volatile oil compound present in a onion, that reason pungency is occur. The next, climate and soil. First, the climate. Onion is a cool season crop. It is grown during winter and harvested before the real hot season begins. Onion can be grown under a wide range of climatic conditions, but it is succeed best in mid-season without extreme of heat and cold. On an average temperature required for onion cultivation is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. In soil, it grow well in, it require well-drained soil, sandy loam soil, seed loam soil and deep fiber soil are best suitable for onion crop cultivation. Then propagation of onion, it is mainly propagated by its seed. Then seed rate required for 1 hectare of onion crop is 8 to 10 kg per hectare. Then most important point, that is planting time, planting method, that is planting season, sowing time and transplanting of onion. We learn one by one. First season, then time of sowing, then transplanting of the seedling of onion in the main field. First season is a Kharif season. In Kharif season, we sow the seed in a rice bed of onion in the month of June, and the seedlings are transplanted in the month of August. The second season is late Kharif. In that season, we sow the seeds on rice bed in the month of July to August and transplanted in the main field in the month of September to October. Then third season is a summer season. In that season, seeds are sown on rice bed in the month of October to November and transplanting into the main field in the month of December to January. The next important point is some important cultivars of the onion crop. First is a N53. It is developed by MPK Viravri. Main characteristics of this cultivar is it is suitable for Kharif season in western and northern India. The duration is 90 to 100 days after transplanting. Then bulbs are medium, flattish, round and red in color, and on an average yield of the N53 cultivar is 250 quintal per hectare. Then second one variety is Baswan 780. It is mainly suitable for Kharif season. Then third one, Agrifaun dark red. The main characteristics of Agrifaun dark red cultivar is its bulb are dark red in color, globular in shape with tight skin, moderately pungent, mature in 95 to 110 days after transplanting, and it is recommended for growing in a Kharif season to all over the country. Then Phule Samarth, Arka Kalyan, these are also suitable for Kharif season. Then N241, Phule Safed, Phule Suvarna, it is recommended for late Kharif. And Arka Niketan, it is recommended for the summer season. Then another variety, that is Bhima Super, it is suitable for Kharif season. Bhima Kiran, it has good keeping quality and suitable for September to October month. Then Bhima Shakti, the main characteristics of the Bhima Shakti variety is it has very less number of bolters, that is only 2.15%. These are some important cultivars of onion crop. Now the next point is seedling preparation of onion. First, we prepare the seedling on a rice bed in a nursery. The rice bed size ideal for cultivation onion is 4 by 1 by 0.15 meter. That is 4 means length of bed is 4 meter, height is 1 meter, and 0.15 meter is its bed height. And every bed we add 4 to 5 kg of well decomposed FIM at the time of bed preparation, and 250 gram vermicompost, then 15:15:15 NPK per bed, and 50 gram of COC, that is copper oxychloride. It is a fungicide. We add any fungicide at the time of bed preparation to avoid the seed-borne disease or damping of diseases. The next is a seed treatment. Some seed treatment is also given for prevention of damping of seed-borne disease, that is Mancozeb at the rate 3 gram per kg of seed. Then second point is sown seed at 10 cm distance between row and only not more than 2 cm depth. Means plan to row to row distance is 10 cm and not more than 2 cm in a depth. Then transplanting. The onion crops are ready for transplanting within a 6 to 8 weeks old seedling. It is used for transplanting into the main field at a proper spacing. The spacing recommended for onion crop is, that is 15 by 10 cm. The row to row distance is 15 and plant to plant distance is 10 cm. In a ridges and furrows, planting also be done in a flat bed. Means two important layout. We prepare the main field at the time of onion cultivation. First is ridges and furrows, and second one is a flat bed, and sometimes are rice beds. Okay. The next important point is manures and fertilizer. We add 10 tons FIM per hectare, which is well decomposed at the time of land preparation. Then fertilizer is recommended by MPKV University, that is 100:50:50 NPK kg per hectare. This dose is applied by split into 2 to 3 times, that is full dose of P and K and half dose of nitrogen at the time of transplanting, and remaining half dose of nitrogen after 1 month of transplanting for bulb development. This see here, and remaining also we split another dose of nitrogen, that is 30 to 40 days after transplanting. Okay. The next important point is irrigation. Irrigation, it depends on season, climate and soil type. Generally we irrigate the field 6 to 8 days interval. Then other interculture operation, important interculture operation, that is weed control. Some weeds are in main field. Firstly, the weeds are grow and which is compact or competition over main crop in a field. The field should be weed free up to 1 month after transplanting. That time the weeds are competition over main crop for the purpose of space, light, fertilizer, nutrient, etc. That reason we kept the field, our main field, free from the weeds by using different methods of weed control, by using weedicide or by using manually hand weeding, etc. Then after interculture operation, the harvesting and yield is a main important point. Harvesting, the onion crop are ready for harvesting after transplanting within a 110 to 140 days. The main important maturity indices of onion for ready for harvesting, that is neck fall. That is whole field, from whole field minimum 50% field is occur neck fall. Neck fall is a maturity indices of onion. Then after neck fall, drying of leaves is another important or maturity indices for harvesting. Then after this maturity index C, then we harvest the onion by manually pulling the onion crop and place in a field for removal of field heat. The on an average yield of onion is a 20 to 30 or 33 tons per hectare. Some pest and diseases, some important pest or major pest of onion is a thrips, and major disease is a purple blotch, which is thrips is controlled by some pesticide use, that is triplopon. Number of pesticide in market now available, neon etc. Then purple blotch, it is a disease which is controlled by mancozeb 0.3%, carbendazim 0.1% etc. Then most important point in a onion, that is bolting in onion. Number of times asked in exam for short notes, that is bolting in onion. So we learn here one by one. That is first point is when onion crop is grown for bulb, some premature seed stalks are produced before completing the normal life cycle of the onion bulb. It is known as bolting. Bolting means some pre-emergent seed stalks are open. If you grow onion for bulb purpose, the some seed stalk, that is premature seed stalks are occur and before the completing the life cycle of the onion crop. This is called as bolting in onion. Another point, due to bolting, this is not desirable because the further development of bulb stop. Means if premature seed stalk is occur, they stop the bulb development growth. That is, it is not good for the bulb of onion production or less yield occur. And third point, these bulbs become fibrous and light in weight. These bulbs become fibrous and light in weight. Fourth, the leaves and bulbs become unfit for consumption because fibrous percentage increases, that is it unfit for consumption. They reduce the quality of bulb. Then fifth point, such bulbs do not have long keeping quality. Such bulbs do not have long keeping quality. They do not store or not keep for long duration. Then sixth point, the seeds obtained from such bulbs or such bolts is poor in germination and seedling are very weak. Means after germination of the or after emergence of seed stalk, the seeds are occur, and the seeds after harvesting we use for germination, but percentage of these seeds are very less, and after emergence of seedling is also very weak. That is, it is not good for the farmers. Then 7 point, the remedies, some remedies of the bolting of onion. First, we spray of 0.5% MH40. That is MH40 means malic hydrazide 14. After just 2.5 months of transplanting, it helps to reduce the bolting percentage in a onion. We see here, that is bolting in onion. These are the pre-emergence flower stalk occur in a onion. These are the flower stalk which is reduce the quality of onion bulb, and bulb become fibrous, which is not used for consumption. They reduce the quality of bulb, and after harvesting the seeds of bulb, the seedlings are very weak and seed germination is also low. These are the more important point of bolting in onion.